Hi everyone, today I will show you how to test any transistor correctly, even without a datasheet. We're gonna check NPN transistors and PNP transistors, and I'm going to teach you how to identify pins of transistor, base, collector, emitter, and also I'm going to teach you what is the difference between testing transistor off the board or outside the board and on the board. Let's get started. Welcome guys to the episode number 8, where I'm going to teach you everything about transistors. So for new followers, guys, stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to test all electronic components that you can imagine. Literally everything. And those components here are just 10 or 5% of components that I'm going to teach. All components including TV component, computer motherboards component, phone components, tablet components, all electronic devices. This masterclass will be very huge, and this is the only masterclass you need to become master in electronics. But here is the best part. I decided to start testing one electronic component every single day, right here on this channel. And you get to choose what I test next. Just leave your suggestion in the comments, and the component that gets the most mentions will be the one I test in the next video. I'm reading all your comments, so don't hesitate to share your ideas. And please, if you enjoy these videos and want to support my work, the best way to say thank you is by liking and sharing the video. It really helps a lot. So guys, let's learn about electronics together, one component at a time. So which component should I test next? So guys, before testing the transistor, here is the most important tips that you have to understand. So a transistor basically is a 3-pin component used as a switch or amplifier. So it has 3 terminals: base, collector, emitter. And of course there are 2 types of transistor: NPN transistor and PNP transistor. I'm going to show you everything. Just be patient, my friends. So let's begin by how to identify the transistor terminals or pins: the base, collector, and emitter, of course for beginner, and then we're gonna progress step by step deeply. Let's go. So first, my friend, you have to put your multimeter to what? To the diode option. So let's begin with this transistor, my friend. One probe here in this terminal, another probe here. Okay, we get a reading, basically a 500 drop voltage or 0.5 volts. So let's move the black probe to the other terminal. We didn't get nothing. Okay, so let's move the red probe to other terminal here. Okay, we get the same reading, means this is PNP. Look, my friend, P, we get a reading, N here, black probe, and also here we get a reading, means this is PNP transistor. Because we move the positive terminal. When you move the positive terminal and you get a reading, look, I move it here, I get a reading, means this is PNP because I move the positive terminal. But let's see another one. Let's find out NPN. So let's check this one, for example, this one here. Okay, one probe here, another here. Okay, nothing. Let's check this side. Nothing. Okay, let's swap the probes. This time the black probe here, the positive probe here. Okay, let's replace this one to the other side, to other pin. We get a reading, my friends. Do you see? So the positive terminal here, the black probe, we get a reading. We move the black probe here to this side, and also we get a reading. So we move the negative terminal, means this is NPN Why? Because we move this one NPN. So this one is PNP, this one NPN. So let's check this one also, my friends. So one probe here, the other here, nothing, here, nothing. Okay, let's swap the probes. The positive terminal here, check here, nothing, here, we get a reading, good. Okay, let's check this one here. Also we get a reading here, reading, here, reading. We move the positive terminal, look, reading, reading. By moving the black probe or the negative probe, we get just one reading. But when we move the positive probe, we get two readings. Means this is what? This is PNP. Let's check this one, and after that I'm going to teach you how to locate the collector and emitter. Okay, so these two here, okay my friends, this one here and this one here. So guys, these two are PNP. This one is NPN, this one is NPN. Let's check this one, the last one. So the positive terminal here, the black probe here, nothing, here, nothing. Okay, let's swap the probes. So one probe here, positive here, we get a reading, positive here, nothing. Okay, let's replace the positive here. Okay, we get a reading. If we check this side, we get a reading. So by moving the black probe, we get a reading in this side and also in this side. It means this is NPN transistor. So guys, these two are NPN, these two are PNP. Okay, now let's identify the emitter, collector and base. So guys, this is basically the transistor symbol. Here we have PNP and here we have NPN. So to locate the collector, emitter and base, we use this simple technique. Always between base emitter, we find a higher reading than between base and collector. Example, if we find here 500, we will find here 480, for example. So in terms of reading, base emitter is always greater than base collector. Let's find out using the multimeter. So guys, let's make things very clear. Here we have two PNP transistors and over here we have two NPN transistors. Now let's find out the collector, emitter and base. So let's begin with this one, my friends. So this is basically PNP transistor. So let's put the black probe here in the middle, and of course we're gonna move on the positive terminal. Okay, here we get 488. This side we get, as you can see, 500. Let's check NPN transistor. So the positive terminal here, the negative terminal. This side we have 489. This side we have 486. Okay, so guys, for this transistor, here we have collector and here we have emitter and here we have base. The same also for all transistors. So guys, for testing transistors on the board, let's find out. Here we have a transistor, a 3-terminal basically. Let's check and find out if the results are the same or not. So let's put one probe here in the middle. Check this terminal. Okay, we get a reading. Nice. Check the other terminal. We get another reading. Means this is PNP because we move the positive terminal. Please guys, pay attention. For this kind of testing, you can find sometimes like this reading. Look, over 1000. Guys, this is normal. This is means open loop, means 1. No problem. Don't worry about this reading. The right reading is this one. We get the good reading here and another reading for this terminal means this is PNP. So here guys, I teach you how to test transistor even on the board without making mistake. Remember my friends, 1000 here means same as this reading. Do you see in the multimeter we get 1 up loop, the same. Outside the board we get, as you can see, 1 up loop, but inside the board my friends we get a reading over 1000, the same. So guys, I teach you here how to test transistors on the board and outside the board without making any mistakes. So guys, please remember, I will teach you how to test all components that you can imagine in your brain, all of them, one by one. I don't know, I can make plus 400 videos or even plus 500 until I test all components that you can imagine. So guys, make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and as I told you, for anyone who want to thank me, the best way to say to me thank you is by liking the video and sharing the video with other friends. So guys, thank you very much and see you with another component.